There is a group of 80 people, 40 like Indian food, 36 like Chinese food, 27 do not like any kind of these foods. Draw a Venn diagram to find how many like both kind of food, how many like only Indian food, how many like Chinese food. This is a question. Okay. So here, total how many students, how many people are there? Total number of people are
80.
80. Total number of people
Yes,
are
sir.
80. In this, okay, Indian food. Who likes Indian food? Let I am taking, yeah, A. Okay, so A is equals to people who like Indian food. People like Indian food. Indian food. Okay. How many are there like this? N of A, number of people who likes Indian
40,
food.
sir.
Okay, 40. Either we can take N of A or N of A. Okay, B, I am taking another A. Okay, so event that is people like Chinese food. People like Chinese food. Okay, so I am taking this as N of B. Okay, how many are there?
36.
36. 36. Okay, now 27, is it likes or does not like? Likes only. 27 do not like any kind of these foods. Any kind of these foods. Okay, 27. So that is number of people. Okay, A union B means likes both A and B. Either A or B or both. That is A union B. Okay, do not like any kind of these foods means complement of this. Complement of this. Complement of this is 27. They don't like any of these foods. And what is total number of students here? Sample space total number of students is 80.
80, sir.
Total number of students is 80. Okay, so now this N of A union B whole complement. N of A union B whole complement is equals to N of S minus N of A union B. Okay, so N of A union B whole complement already we have, that is 27 is equals to N of S is 80 minus N of A union B. Okay, this is nothing but N of A union B is equals to 80 minus 27. 80 minus 27, that is 53. 53. This 53, okay, likes either Indian food or Chinese food or both the foods. Both the foods. Okay. So here I am taking the set A and B, Indian food and Chinese food. Okay. So now, how many like both kind of food? How many like both kind of food? Okay. Do we have that data? No. At present, we don't have. So we have to find the data. Okay. So here we have the formula N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. N of A union B, just now we got, that is 53. Either likes Indian food or Chinese food. Okay. Who likes Indian
Yes,
food?
sir.
How many are there? 40. 40 people are likes Indian food. B is Chinese food. Okay. 36 are there. Okay. Minus N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. Okay. So after that, okay. So take this N of A intersection B left side and 53 that side. Okay, so then N of A intersection B is equals to 40 and 36 is 76 minus 53. Okay, so that means 23. 23 likes A intersection B. Okay, so common 23 likes
Yes, sir.
Indian food and okay, so Chinese food. Okay, now total overall how many likes Indian food? 40 likes Indian food.
40,
Okay.
sir.
Out of 40, already 23 came. Out of 40, already 23 came. So what is remaining here? How many students, how many people are left? Okay, they likes only Indian.
17.
17 likes only Indian food. Okay, next number of people likes Chinese food, total 36. Already in the 36, 23 people already came. Okay, they like Chinese and Indian. Okay?
13.
So remaining 13. Remaining 13. Okay, so now once look at this question, first question. Okay, so how many like both kind of food? How many like both kind of food? What is the answer here? Both kind of food means A intersection B. Okay, the like
Intersection B is
both
equals to
A and B, Indian and Chinese food. A intersection B, already we got, that is 23. Common, okay, so common persons, common people. Okay, how many people, how many like only Indian food? Only Indian food. This 17 is only
17,
Indian.
sir.
Okay, so complete Indian means, who likes Indian means 40. Only Indian means
40.
okay. If
Only
anybody is
17.
if anybody is eating Chinese food, don't take that. Okay, so that means total overall 40. From that 40 we have to subtract. Okay, so this 23. Okay, then we get the people who like only Indian food. How many are there? They are 17. Okay,
17,
how
sir.
many like only Chinese food? Only Chinese. Total Chinese food liked by 36. From that 36,
36.
subtract who likes Chinese and Indian. Okay, that is 23. 36 minus 23. 36 minus,
13, sir.
yes, 36 minus 23. That is equals to 30.
13.
To 30. Okay, so this is
Yes,
the
sir.
required solution. This is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once we'll go to the next question. So in this question, in a class of 150 students, okay, the following results were obtained in a certain examination. 45 students failed in math, or 50 students failed in physics, 48 students failed in chemistry, 30 students failed in both math and physics, 32 students failed in physics and chemistry, 35 students failed in maths and chemistry, 25 failed in all the three subjects. Draw a Venn diagram corresponding this data. Okay, find the number of students who have failed at least one subject. At least one subject. Okay, so here the question. Okay, so let I am taking, we can maths means M, physics P, and chemistry we take as first letter. Okay, let M is equals to students failed in math. Okay, I am considering this as A, M, and P is nothing but students failed in, okay, so physics, students failed in physics. And C, what is C? Students failed in chemistry. Students failed in chemistry. Okay, so then here number of students failed in math. Okay, how many students failed in math? 45 students
45,
failed
sir.
in math, so 45. Okay, and how many students failed in physics?
50.
50 students failed in physics. And how many students failed in chemistry? Chemistry is 40.
48.
Chemistry is 48. Okay, so now the number of students failed in both two subjects. Okay, so 48 students failed in chemistry, 30 students failed in both physics, maths and physics. Okay, number of students failed in maths intersection physics, maths and physics is equals to 30. Okay, number of students failed in 32 students failed in physics and chemistry. Okay,
Yes, sir.
physics and chemistry. Okay, that is P intersection C is equals to how many are there? 32. Okay, 35 failed in both maths and chemistry. Okay, so 35 failed in maths and chemistry. How many are there? 35 are there. Okay, 25
Yes,
failed
sir.
in all the three subjects. All the three subjects. Okay, maths intersection, physics intersection, chemistry is equals to how many are there? 25, not 35. Okay, so it is 25 students failed in all the 3 subjects. Okay. Now draw a Venn diagram corresponding. Draw a Venn diagram. Okay. Corresponding
Yes,
to
sir.
this data, find the number of students who have failed at least one subject. Who have failed at least one subject. Okay. So now here the question. Okay, once observe carefully. The question is about. Okay, we have 3 subjects in the question. How many subjects are there in the question? 3 subjects are there.
3, sir.
Okay. So now in all the 3 subjects, okay, so one is here math, okay, and physics and chemistry. Math, physics and chemistry. Okay. So in all these, first, how do we draw the Venn diagram? So how to take the Venn diagram values? This is very important. Always remember, okay, we go in the reverse way. We go in the reverse. Okay,
Reverse.
means whatever we have common in all the three, you take that in the middle. Okay, 25, whatever we have 25. Okay, so this 25 present in the math, physics and chemistry. Okay, take this 25 first. After that, math intersection physics 30. So means already already 25 we have. So we take 5. Okay, physics and chemistry 32. Okay, out of 32 in the physics and chemistry common area, so 25 already we took. Okay, already we took 25. So remaining only 7. Okay, next to maths and chemistry. 35 we have. Already 25 is there. Okay, remaining we take only 10.
Yes, sir.
Only 10. Okay, so that is 10 and 25, that is 35. Becomes 35. Okay, so now once check the maths. Overall maths is 45. Out of 45, already 25, 5, 30 plus 10. 40 already came. So remaining only 5. We have completely failed in math. Failed in only math. Okay. So next, here n of p is 50. N of p is 50. Okay. So add this physics subject. Okay. So 25, 5, 30 and 7, 37. Okay. So subtract 37 from 50. Okay, means 13. 13 students failed in only physics. Only physics. Okay. Total overall 50 students failed in physics. Okay. Next, chemistry. If you take the chemistry total 48 students failed in chemistry. In that, already 25, 10, 35. Okay, 35 and 7. 42 students already failed in. Okay, so combination of chemistry and other subjects. Okay, remaining how many are there? 42 means 6. Only 6 students failed in only chemistry. Okay, so now what is the question here? Draw a Venn diagram corresponding to this data. Find the number of students who fail at least one subject. Okay, if you add all these numbers, okay, we get the students who failed in 1 subject, 2 subjects, 3 subjects. Okay, this Venn diagram represents, okay, the number of students who failed in 1 subject, 2 subjects, 3 subjects. Who passed in the exam, we don't have that. Okay, total overall we have 150 students are there. Okay, here failures students are less than 150. If you subtract that total, then we get the passed students also. Okay, so now failed in here number of students failed in at least one subject. At least one subject is nothing but n of a b c, or we can take m union p union c. Okay, we have the formula. Either you can apply the formula, or otherwise, okay, he's asking from Venn diagram means I add all these numbers. Add all these numbers. Okay, so we get the total. Okay, that means 5
Yes,
plus
sir.
5 plus 25 plus 10 plus 13. Okay, plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10.
17.
Okay, so 5 and 5, 20. Okay, so 20, 25, 45 plus 10, 55.
Sir, 5 and 5, 10, 10 was, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, 10 already came. 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 25. 10 and
35,
25, 35. 35 plus 10.
45.
45 plus 13. Okay, so
58,
45, 55, 58. 58 plus 7, 65. 65
Yes, sir.
plus
71, sir.
71. Okay, so total 71 students failed in at least one subject.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who passed in all the subjects means total we have 150 students are there. Total we have 150 students are
150
there.
students.
150 minus 71. 150 minus 71. Okay, 79 students passed in all the subjects, but we don't, question is not there regarding that. Okay, this is enough for this question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have another method also for solving this. Direct formula: m union p union c is equals to n of m plus n of p plus n of c minus n of okay, m intersection p minus n of p intersection c minus n of m intersection c plus n of m intersection p.
M intersection, P intersection, C.
Yes. Okay, so we can use that formula also. Okay, so just for this you write till here. Okay, this is enough for this. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.